Yo, what's up everybody? April 14, 2024. It's 314 days on the road, and today we're in Northern Platte at the Golden Spike Tower. This right here is a tower right next to the biggest train yard in the United States. Alright, so we got our tickets. It costs $10 for adults, $6 for kids, and I got a military discount, so my ticket is $8. 8th floor is 65 feet, 7th floor is 83 feet. So they recommended we go up to the 8th floor and then go down to the 7th floor. There you go.
Just backwards.
Going to the top.
They will bring these switch engine sets out down in there. Grab a track, pull it out, maybe grab 3 or 4 different tracks through the afternoon and make it one train. Power plant in the distance.
So this right here is the view from the 7th floor. Before we were at the 8th floor, it's all enclosed, and right here is just open air. This is Railyard. It's the biggest train yard in the world. About 150 trains used to come here a day. Now the guy said about 75. See these trains right here, the white ones? They are the refrigerated trains, and they're also the best trains for graffiti because they're flat. It's like a perfect canvas. What?
Your shoes are tied. Like your legs.
You suck. Alright, we had fun at the train yard. Now it's off to our harvest host. Check it out, we just made it to our home for the night. A dirt parking lot. There's about 10 spots here. The best thing is, right across the street is the pub. This right here is Pal's Brewery.
Okay, that's enough.
Alright, so I got a Flight, which is 4 beers. I got Honey Wheat, I got Chris Lager, Ruby Red, and Big Pickle. How's the food? Whoa! How's the food?
It was good. I'm sleepy, so I'm closing the vlog. Good night. You have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Please like and subscribe and put a baldy emoji.